Mine are. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Wait guys. Last time same kid in Mynsiem Badanglo. Like now I think she is my favorite in this squad. I love all the way they sing. But you know, she's so unique, man.
She's very unique. She
and
got
the way
your attention.
She catch my attention.
Yeah.
And the way she stand out like.
And the smile, you know.
Like
the
she's so
innocent
confident.
face. Yeah, confidence
And,
also.
you know, I think she's singing with full strength.
From inside,
from
you
feel
one of her heart.
like everything is 100%. This is what I love about her, and
she's very passionate.
So much.
Yeah.
There is no subtitle for her part because it is in a local language, but I just love it, guys.